What's up everybody, it's Drew with Wasatch Productions. So I know it has been a very long time since I have posted up on YouTube. I've missed you guys and I know you have missed me, but I wanted to take a minute to kind of explain what we have been up to. Devin and I have been working on a lot of new videos and a lot of new ideas, and a couple things to look forward to would be our Halloween videos, knowing that it is the end of summer. Unfortunately, I love the summer months, but fall is special in its own way, and what I noticed with fall is the leaves are changing, so you will see some really cool and really beautiful drone footage coming up here really soon. So stay tuned for that. You will also, getting down into the winter months, you will start seeing some festive videos having to do with Thanksgiving as well as Christmas. So I really am looking forward to the next few months and getting back on track and posting up videos. I will see what I can do about getting a video up at least every month. As we have said from the beginning, YouTube is not our daytime job. We both have full-time jobs and we have to provide for our families and provide for ourselves. So unfortunately, we can't do videos as much as we would like to. I wish this was my full-time job. I absolutely love being on camera. I know that there's a lot of stress these days, and the best way for me to relieve stress is to go on a drive. Go up the canyon, go out to the desert, go somewhere. I always try to take a camera with me just in case I see something really cool, something I want to show you guys. And for that stuff that I video on my phone or take pictures on my phone, those usually go up on a couple different platforms. So if you would like to see me and Devin in day-to-day what we're up to and what we are doing, you can check out our TikToks and our Instagrams. I'm also located up on Facebook, so go ahead and check those out. I post a lot of pictures and a lot of videos up on those 3 platforms, so go ahead and check those out. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to climb every peak. We will see you on the next adventure.